Are you looking for the best wood phone docking station? Well, we've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got. By the way, if y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking up that open for me right there. All right, so we have some pamphlets here. Okay, looks like your assembly and use guide. It's got a little parts list on the side right there, and then it goes through all of the steps with some very nice colored pictures right there to kind of show you how it all goes together. So that's nice. Let's see, this looks like, oh, this is the steps in other languages as well. So if you do need it in different languages, they have more on the back right there. Super cool. All right, let's open it. Ooh, it's very nicely wrapped up. Okay, so you have a bunch of different pieces here. We have this one here. Ooh, man, that feels nice. Oh, yeah, I like that. This looks like the part that's going to hold the phone, balance up the phone. Got this piece right here. It's like a little groove tray right there. Then you have your main. This looks like the main base right here for it. Oh, and then you have this piece right here as well. I can't tell. This looks like the base, but what is this one used for? Huh, interesting. Okay, I'll get into this. Oh, we got some nougats and bits in there as well. We're going to need all that. Let's see. Let's lay everything out here. And we have insert part 1 into part 2 as shown in the picture and fasten it with a screw. Oh, okay. Wait, is that? Oh, yeah. Okay. Right there. Okay, so there's a hole right here in the base of this one. And there's a little hole right here on the edge of this one. And you're going to make sure that this groove is pointing towards the bottom part of this. And this is going to go in the back. Just like this. So now, okay, this right here is where you're going to hook like watches on. If you have a watch that you want to cradled on here. Let's see what's in our nougats and bits. They give you a little screwdriver right there. Oh, you got a little circular piece. And then it looks like we have, let's see. Oh, they give you some little feet, some little sticky things. And then these are your screws. Looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or so screws to be able to get this thing done. So let's see what we got here. Grab this one. We're going to pop this guy on in. And in the back right here is the hole. And I am just going to easily screw that right on in. Just like that. Okay. That went on easy. Nice and tight. Feels good. All right. Insert part 4 into the groove of part 3 and fasten it with one screw. Part 4 into the groove of part 3. Okay, just like this. So this is probably your phone cradle right there, which is what I was expecting. And then in the back, you have a little hole right there. In the bottom of this, you had a hole right there. So that's just going to go right on into there. You want to make sure that the lip right here is up, so that it actually, your phone has something to catch on to. Let's see, let's grab, look, we can use this right here for our screws. That, and we're just gonna simply screw this guy on in right here. So far, super simple to do. They give you all of the tools that you need to be able to get it assembled. Okay, that's that one. Attach part 3, which is this, to part 2, aligning it into the groove and fasten it with 2 screws. So this, oh, okay, right here. This one's going to go right here. This has a little bit of an angle on the bottom right here, so it kind of swoops back a little bit. So we're just going to simply get 2 screws. I guess this wasn't a good spot for those. Let's put those right there for now. Alrighty. So now we're just going to pop this on back. And let's see, make sure it's lined up. And screw that one on in. number one. I like how the screws have a flush mount to them on the bottom as well, so that whenever you do have it, you know, on your nightstand or your desk or wherever, it's not, the screws aren't going to scratch it up or anything. So that's awesome as well. Okay. Awesome. So far, so good. Let's see, we got this little tray right here, I think is next. Attach part 5, yep, to part 1 into the groove. Insert the peg into the appropriate slot. The peg into the appropriate slot. Oh, okay, that's for rings. Okay, cool. So this is just going to go right here. Just like this one went down here. You have a groove. It fits nicely into there. And it looks like you just have one screw on the back right there with a hole for it. So let's go ahead and grab this. Do it this way. Get that right on into there. We will screw that right on in. Since it's got that groove, it's going to hold it nice and in place with just one screw. Got a little tray for things. And then this piece right here is the one that they were talking about, where you just pop it into this little hole right here. And that can be used to hold like rings. That's a really cool idea. I like that. I like how they're like went outside of just electronics with this thing. Like obviously you have your phone and you can do watches and you know, probably have a spot for like earbuds and all that. But then you also have the ring. You got the extra tray. You got all the extra things that you could want to add to a little nightstand organizer, if you will. Let's see. On the back, fasten the screw onto the shelf from the back side. Okay, we did that. The stand is ready. Is that it? I think so, yeah. Once you get this little peg in. That was easier than I expected. Yeah, put the back screw in. The only thing that they don't talk about, one, I do want to point out, you do get 2 extra screws in there, so if you need 2 extras, but they don't point out these little nougats and bits in here, so let's go ahead and grab some of these. You got the little feet pieces right there, so if you do want to throw those onto the bottom, you can do that. I'm just going to put them on each corner. That'll help it from slipping and sliding all over the place, which is great. And then they don't really discuss this in the instructions, or at least I don't see. See on the back? Nope. Is your charging cord for your phone that you're going to charge. So it can come on up through here. It's got a little hole right here, so you can pass it on up through there. And it's got a little groove in the back right here that swoops all the way to the back side. So you can just simply run your wire through this little track right there and then plug it in and you'll be good to go. So super cool. This is really, really nice. I like it. Oh, I just realized. Okay, so I noticed that there were these 2 little holes on the side right here. And I was like, what are those going to be used for? And then I realized, like, you can put pens and stuff right there. Look. Not the fanciest pens that I have, but I can see. I got a marker right there. This is just like a little Bic style of pen right there. Can fit right on in. Let's see. I can grab my phone right here. We can put that a charging. We can put other little nougats and bits all the way around. Get that Mike Vance knife on there right there. This thing is cool, man. I like it. I can put my ring right here. I can put my watch right here. So if you're looking for a nice way to just kind of display everything, you could easily run a wire for your watch. You could like put a little bit of adhesive and put the magnetic watch back onto there and then just run your wire on out here. And then you can just simply attach your, if you have a smartwatch, attach it with the magnet to be able to get a good charge from that. Y'all are looking for an excellent wooden docking station. I mean, this thing just looks really, really nice. Y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these right here. I'm impressed by this. Hey, y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that elbow right there. Definitely appreciate you guys picking that up for me. Whoa. I don't know if they make this in like other wood finishes or other colors or anything like that. But if you're looking for something specific, definitely go and check out the product listing below. And if they do have something, they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the one that's going to be the best for you. But y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these if this is something that you want. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show y'all how this thing works and how it goes together and all that. And Dad out.